This is Danelle Stevens again, and this is a Zotero5 video, or YouTube video, yeah, on, and the topic for this one is creating a group within Zotero from which you can share your references, etc. So I'm going to go, I opened the Zotero here, and these are my group libraries. These are libraries that I've shared with other people. And if we're working on a paper together, you can see there's some papers here that I've done with Dr. Mickey Caskey. And these are some topics that we've studied and I've also studied that I share with other people. So to create one of these group files, it's just like the files above, except every time I put something into this file, it also goes into my group file for all members of the group to access. So I'm going to go up here. I'm now in there's my library, which I closed, which is long, right? And then there's the group libraries, which are down below here. And you can see all these files and subfiles. And each one has its own duplicate items, unfiled items, trash, as you can see, within those groups. But let's go up here. Let's see how we can make a group. So on this, right next to the regular file folder for my library, there's another file folder, different color, and this one says new group. So it indicates to me that I can make a new group. And it'll put me into the Zotero web. And let's just first, it says search for groups and create a group. So first of all, we'll search for groups. Let's say people. It's interesting. Oh, you know what I think? I don't think this is where I want to go. This is search for not my groups. Okay, so we're going to go back. This is to find other groups. We're going to go to groups, and these are my groups. So here's an academic writing group. I have 5 members in this group. I can manage the members. You can see the names of these members. I can change their status to, where they can move about and use different things, administration, or I can remove them from the group, as indicated. So that is a group that I created. And to do that, I had to go create a new group, and then I give it a name. I decide if it's public open, public closed, or private, only those people that are in it. Public closed means that people can see it, but they have to, in order to use the resources, they have to be invited or become a member of the group. So I know that was quick, but that's kind of how groups work. I find when I'm writing with someone, it's really helpful to have a group because we can share our resources, and that's very helpful to be able to share references back and forth. Okay, so there you go. That's about being in a group, or creating a group, actually. And then you're going to go back to your regular Zotero. After you've been in this Zotero web, you can log out, and then you can open your regular Zotero, and there it is, your groups.